Now, a former South Whitley County officer involved in a controversial traffic stop could potentially lose his ability to own firearms. Court records show a red flag law case was filed against Brian Shimmel. But what does that mean? 21 Alive reporter Taylor Williams talked with a legal expert to find out. Taylor?
Indiana was one of the first states to create what's known as a red flag law. And the Indiana University professor I spoke with says they are becoming more common.
It's video that shook the South Whitley community. Then Officer Brian Shimmel pulling out a high school student out of a car and taking her to the ground. The video went viral. In the end, charges against the driver were dropped, and Shimmel soon exited the department. Now the former officer is facing his own legal battle with a red flag law.
And it says basically an individual is dangerous if he or she presents an imminent risk of injury to themselves or to others, or it's probable that they will present a risk of personal injury to themselves or others.
According to documents filed in Whitley County Superior Court, a red flag law case was brought against Shimmel in late June. While the probable cause with more details is being kept confidential, documents state they have enough evidence to support the seizure of his guns.
The burden is on the state to make sure that these individuals are dangerous. And so, again, that burden always remains on the state. So it is very unlikely that these red flag laws will be applied to individuals that don't merit them.
Once a case is brought against a person, Indiana University law professor Jody Madeira says the clock starts for the court. The prosecutor has to hold a hearing within 14 days. In Shimmel's case, it's been pushed back.
There's very frequent hearings where, courts make sure that this individual remains dangerous or that individual can have their firearms returned to them.
Shimmel's hearing is set for next Friday. To learn more, head to our website, 21alivenews.com. In studio, Taylor Williams, 21 Alive News.